Okay. Yeah. How will you get a fan with Innova? Let's take. Come on. Should we go that way? What do you call model taking director for a ride?
The idea was that a Mallu guy is riding from Kerala and he tries to reach the Commonwealth Games location, and then there are shots of people from Ladakh and people from Punjab who will be there. So it's a huge film in terms of scale. We'll have people from all over the country coming to the venue of the Commonwealth Games. So that's the whole idea behind the film.
Okay, so what exactly struck this thing in your mind?
See, the core thought that we had in mind was Ab Dhadkan Ek Ho. So we went ahead with it. This was going to be a lead-up film before the main film. So this was generally the entire film was about people traveling from various places and coming to the venue of the Commonwealth Games.
Portfolio. So how are you feeling, Rahul?
Me? I am learning riding bike. And I think I'll be driving more in 2 days than I've done in my whole life.
Something about Hero Honda?
I'll say that. Okay. All I can say is hats off to Hero Honda for buying such a big idea. It's got scale, you know, it's huge. And we're doing 2 films, so it's going to be big. We've got some amazing locations. We'll be going to, I think, about 7 different places in India, and we'll be shooting there, so it'll be fun. And yeah, I think both the films are big, they're really huge. So yeah, I mean, the credit also goes to Hero Honda for buying such films. And yeah, our team is very excited here. So is Kunal, and Kunal is a fabulous director. He sort of, you know, could see the way we were, you know, we saw the film in our mind. So it's great. And the way he sort of planned all the shots, I think it's going to be beautiful. So we're all really excited. We're just waiting for this, you know, shoot to sort of get over, so we could, you know, sort of all put the film together.
Yeah, we all waiting to go to Ladakh.
That we are.
Yeah, we go to Ladakh.
Hero Honda, Ladakh, and Kunal, they all wrong.
Thak go.
Kapna break
Gops camera man, I am the Buju camera man. Yeah, the base light, you know, for the automobile.
Yes.
Cloudy, you know.
I'm taking your interview.
Base films are shot. I am very serious and I want to talk. So one of the base films, automobile, shot all over the world in the clouds. So I am waiting for the clouds, no compromise.
Hero Honda, Hero Honda, duck go. सब लोग बोलो भाई, तुम लोग का भी चांस है।
चलिए, duck go. Rain please go. Duck go.
Idhar sir.
Hero Honda, duck go.
ऋषि, रेन में duck go कर एक बार। Hero Honda duck go कर ऐसे।
अरे duck go.
Action.
And action. Good for me.
Now, this is a very crucial shot. You have to match the exact body language of the guy who shot it. South Indian brand. I'll show you that shot. You have to come put your leg up higher than what you would have normally. And come, just get on the bike, just get count going. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 2 you have to start moving, and by 2.5 3 leg is straight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm Sandeep Sethi. I'm a motion control operator working with Prime Focus Limited.
How do you feel the concept of this film is?
We've got diverse locations to play with, like shooting in Hampi and South, and we've travelled all the way to Jaipur. Now we'll be going to Leh. So even logistic-wise, it's the first time when we are taking the Milo all around India.
माँ सारा देश जा रहा है मैं भी चल यहाँ
Riding the bike and floating the leg into the bike. Then we'll fix the block. Same backflip with you.
Morphing menu.
Basically, you lock the camera. That's all. Hi, how are you?
How are you? I'm good.
Ritesh, अभी राठौर आ रहा है. Immediately उनको ready कर देना. 5 मिनट riding shot लेके आऊँगा. उसके बाद मुझे कर देना. Raj. I'm going. Absolutely fresh man. I briefed her. You're ready with her up to there.
Right now I'm doing the backgrounds for morphing Ladakh to the Jama Masjid, the Gulf. And we are trying to match all the distances and camera height and everything, and so morphing will be perfect.
Okay, sir.
This one, with a person. So first one is going to
Hi everybody.
This commercial.
Please take a look at the beautiful location. If you just walk this way, just see us living on the edge. Look at the beautiful location over there. We come all the way from Mumbai to Ladakh only for this. Yes, we're rocking. As you can see, we're rocking in Ladakh.
So can you tell a little bit about your experience about actually putting this shoot together? Because
I think this has been the most amazing experience. The first time we're doing a film like this, and it's the first time a film in India is being made like this. Such a huge scale. We've gone all over India, starting down south, coming up north. We're right now at the heart of the north, right in Ladakh, and you can see beautiful location behind me. And the idea is to make the film look really grand, really interesting, and visually spectacular.
And what about your sleepless night, like during the pre-production planning process, everything?
The entire team has had sleepless nights putting this project together. Hats off to the whole team. They've been working day and night putting it together, and credit to the team.
And what about the technical knowledge that you feel that is needed to put together a commercial like this?
In case I did not have so many years of post-production experience behind me, there's no way I could have put this film together. There's so much of technical detailing that goes into a film like this, and again you have to work with a team that is technically sound, and I think we have a great team on this film.
And what about your experience of working with Mr. Gopal Shah?
Mr. Gopal Shah is a rock star. The kind of shots he has given me, the kind of framing we've got is spectacular. We've captured every location in its true essence. We've got the real feel of every location, and I think the film is going to look spectacular.
And how was the experience working with the agency?
Agency guys are amazing. They've all become great friends. We're having a party over here, and it's a good feeling when you gel so well and everybody raps so brilliantly. They understand what we are doing, and you don't expect them to be as technically sound as us, but they are quite clued on to what we're doing. And hopefully we should.
2010, 2011, where do you see virtual reality going?
Rocking, flying higher than these mountains, higher than the sky. Woo! We've already come to 11,000 feet. Just go about higher than there.
It was a great experience working here, and we shot from Bangalore to Jaipur to Delhi, Ladakh. Great experience, and a little difficult, but it's the teamwork that counts the most. And thanks to the director, everyone, the entire team that we have come all the way here, and we got a job done. And I think it's going to be one of the best commercials. I'm not trying to boast or say something great about just because I'm working with them. The way we have worked, the entire experience, the team. Traveling like in 10 days we have traveled like 4 to 5 cities, and that's not something very easy. Been working for past 10 years, I've never done something like this, and I wish them all the best. And that's it.
This is the gentleman, his name is Akshat. He's the reason we are all standing in this place over here. Thanks to him we have got...
Thanks to Kunal that we are here.
Thanks to him we are in Leh right now and travelled all over India. He's promised me the next trip is going to be all over the world. So that's
and that is not because he's written the script, he's the local coordinator.
go! माँ, सारा देश जा रहा है, मैं भी चलिया।
चला है छूने आसमां हमारा हिंदुस्तान, अब धड़कन एक हो, अब धड़कन एक हो।
हीरो होंडा ला रहा है कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स का जुनून। चलिए सुनाएं दुनिया को करोड़ों दिलों की एक धड़कन। अब धड़कन एक हो, हीरो होंडा धक धक गो।
Again the unique is back. Duck duck go.
Roll video. Camera.
It's just an illusion, and all this confusion. It's just an illusion.
खेलों का जादू ऐसा कि खेले कोई एक पर जीते सारा देश। हीरो होंडा लाया है कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स का जुनून। अब धड़कन एक हो, हीरो होंडा धक धक गो।